So I think really it's very simple to me is that it's a great school, great university, and there are great people, and also it's a great location. My research is the software system, and mainly I'm focusing on the system reliability and diagnosability, in the sense that, for example, we all experience system failure or software failure, such as blue screen. And then my research is to help the people, either the end user and also the programmers, to how to quickly resolve and troubleshoot this failure to bring your system back online as soon as possible. Because what motivated me is because I was a programmer. I am a programmer, so I do a lot of debugging. Basically, it's the failure troubleshooting myself, and I know how painful it is. So that is why it is a real-world problem to me, and also I have seen that it's a real-world problem to many other people, I guess, including you. So that's why it motivates me. That really motivates me is the problem. So I think for my research, I really hope that ideally that my research can make it to the real world as much as possible, so that in the end, that because of my research or some other research in this field, that together we can have much shorter troubleshooting time of the failures, and hopefully ideally we can minimize to a, let's say, zero system downtime, so that we never experience this blue screen or those frustrations brought by the software downtime. And as for the educator, right? I think I really hope to train students, either through my class or through graduate students that work with me in the research. And I want to train them first to be a knowledgeable person, that they are capable of doing the engineering task. And more importantly, I really hope to train them into critical thinker or independent thinker, that they can have their own vision of the technology and the engineering and make their own impact. I think there's really not a tipping point in my case. It's kind of a gradual process. So what happens is that I came from China. So in China, in high school, we need to divide all the students into either you study the engineering or science versus humanity. So at that time, I made the choice to go to the science and engineering because I just feel I'm more interested in it, and I think in comparison, I'm better in engineering and science. And then what really attracted me into computer engineering is when I was in the university. And there I started to realize, okay, so computer is being used everywhere, and it's just so close to us, right? Everyone's using software. And then I want to understand how it worked. And gradually, the more I study computer software and programming, I become more in love with it. So that's kind of, in the end, brought me all the way to here.